TV so Queen Tran Majime Jamidin somewhere Koso or my Ghana Munabenya be a to subscribe Attention TV now sound so a share now sound so a like now be who near Koso ewa Attention TV bia yen nim say odumtini keke FOSU ebenya accident kakra ewo a year Cape Coast Central Region kwan so baby na accident ne cause na nipa miensa ene wo mu bema oye blogger ye friend eye John Claude Tamakro ena bless ne obo akua dodobi ni chocho mucho saa odwumtuni so ewo na fofia ntoata eye mu baako efiri mu eye John Claude Tamakro no wono ohwere ne nkwa a ono wan count as fo biem me de twam na busuafo de eye ne na ye ho hihye nyina abegu apon so wo mo ye na eye no na eye na se no guess what eye keke FOSU any blessy chocho mucho no boss anwum no wo mo nyina amba eye na se na ano ya ye den kakra na empo no accident ne ba ye wo pie fim ba ye no nipa bebre na se keke FOSU enam no so na eye John wahwere ne nkwa na asem no ano aye ho se Ghana for de ensem ba ye be ka se ne ye den ne ye nyu nyina ne nyina ye de be hihye keke FOSU abekasa say even John Tamaklo no wonim no babia na emo akwantuo ni ba so mutu kwan akota krade akobo show no e na ye bless e obo twetwo mutwe e fa no de be shame. That was the first time wodi share sa blogger no John Tamaklo no e ne share kam enti so wo bia ba wonim aye hu bibia ne po senia Ghana fo e kasa ne abusuafo ni bi e kasa no enam so e na nu nti wantumi ankwa aye na se anko pay ni last respect afa because na kasa no adoso wo we won hye dan nim hwe abrantie no won hye dan hyanda sada no hye na sa akwansidie koto omo kwan so a Ghana fo so ekeka nse bebe mientie keke FOSU na nim sem bi edoso yentie ne ono so ne nkyirem a wode ma eye Ghana fo nya mientie ne mrasisia.
There's also information circulating on social media that you were bent on performing at the TGMA right after the accident. Man for person use and no say then you are fit to be a part of a funeral.
Okay, Mamenka Semicho, I wish and candy Dustina AMA friends say interview with Nanka Maka in the cray will match them. Nanka Adi Dustin so be cancel in the cray will match them. The day in the many blessing and the hospital or send me a fita, more bless, and I'm on fair blessing manager, and I'm person Montana or whoever. Mon friend, young super na your woman. But when we were there, music performing, Ejuma, they paid me on that. And I'm a Iranian embedded. And he said, Onyamia di mi apofi impona me, Nimpun Amponumuna, Messino, me yare, no means me won't send the down. Me proper, but me won't send me the down, not at the Kamiase. And I'm yen won't send me the down. Watching my wife and my kids, some about hospital, me show me 8, we are coming in and making comedy. I just want it just like to say Claude the ABL. I was there when Andy Dorsey called me that almost share a match the day and union. They wanted to share a match the day and union. But almost so much, almost friend, almost friend, me believe the top, and they don't send me the other top say, say, I should do what? Come be. Now make me the performance. And say, Andy, make me. I will sit in a wheelchair. Even in management, I'm on peneso. Mechanical, the doctors were not part of it. I'm on peneso. But for me, say, hey, I'm actually the legendary, the yare won't kick for super papa. The yare ponentino, they say I will go. They should give me a wheelchair and I will sing for the man to know that our life is not dead. That was my motive. And it's my job. I can decide to go and perform and take my money. I don't care. Say John Claude, well, so what? Does that thing feed my family? Listen to me. Me a real Ghana kind of crana. You hate you. Me either you hate me or not. You can't do me silly because I have God and God and Emma Medianibi and Yeni Padas and Yen Nam Krum. Unless Namia Kauli Pana Wakuma and Sana watching it. I have God.
Legend, then went to me performance no so because every now count.
The performance no me and I convinced my management almost no na me convince them me say that night na me say a day before and I start to sing I'm actually the day money free and the doctor imagine obi am yare da no mu gudu so dawo me say no I need to do this and I can't say papa nenya me one man early in the morning and the doctor free the awards night And it does say, it's a sample for Abamu. And I'm doing and on you actually free on can no it's not only me P, Akasaka, and P, and it's on one side on the Kasa. Because someone will say, Lady Makuma could be actually trying to do something for the man. And then Andy does say, Omoni Amachi de Bokumas, no more, no by no Amachi de say, Mene Ubi. Like my boy back to certain American much into also can say my boy back or accident a free more as I'm say fans better say men boy no I'm making the performance. My main casting job and yen agenda no. And yes say ya couldn't accident to be a wounty. And I'm examining na some much did on any manager no more cover be management manager mean accident we and so much did on perform be manner. And I was feeling like so everywhere enviness because that night people them say yeah woo ebi mo say me na mo bubu me kini na ti be come na you circulation is there also. So that platform was huge. VGMA Ghana Music Award was huge. Imagine say fans you know me say well now was mood off winning. How are they gonna celebrate? Like that night people will cry and thank God. Because someone will say, boy, no, what's in AP? That's all. No bad intentions. So what has that got to do with John Claude Awowu? And then you are mentioning coming home still in the bed. Yeah,
Kafra.
And then John Claude Awowu, that should save my life. No, you'll be a mayor caller. I don't even know the guy, but imagine the heart. Na me na even in Akogu Hospital, I some AC. Yeah, done here busia. May Ubi a Shanedy. A Crawford Begu a hospital. They just came there once. Ubi a cockabonic way a man or Bahon once. John Claude, we were free, we were starting, we were starting posting him so that people will like come together and sympathize. That is the mentality. We even that home, we even did a song for the boy. And sister, do you know what was happening? They were insulting us just because don't said, "Me boy, the boy is not following me." One, let me go straight to the point. The guy, I'm speaking with pain. I'm speaking with pain. And the people anymore, Obeko, anything bad against me concerning John Claude. I don't know him. Yeah, right down John Claude. Team member be unfair and checking. I heard a friend say, Elombini, and asked SHES, or this answer phone, but tell him, the years I may get deal industry, he has no idea. Own team DB. Answer will be the duo, maybe I may do on my trauma and answer no. On the first day, all your interviews, no claims are unnecessary allegations. He saw me, he did never in Toronto channel. John, me honor me bonus because of say, or John Claude, me brothers and the downfall. I don't know control the pages. I don't know what the boys and then they want to tarnish my image. I don't know anything concerning John Claude. I met John Claude and the driver took me rather. In the 1 week, we don't even know them. So nobody is calling us to give us clue about John Claude. Okay, senior, when I come concerning 1 week. Nobody. 1 week in do so no. Nobody call us. We don't even know. Me rather me frefre. And I'm a man management. Yeah, say what is happening. I will rather call Bless because you notice they will say Bless and I almost say not downfall or blogging man. Yeah. So 1 week you need to down here 1 week. We were calling that even the driver no on John Claude now. So Ghana for be amu chasing no. Nebusia phone chasing no. It's not me. Your friend no on phone. You be from on phone. Me no can say me wo who. Yes, I'm still under treatment. I don't make Nancy Kakaka. By me, you'll be a meeting my faith about a year. Yeah, I'm going to imagine say, my mommy team, this are family and friends. I connect years. That was a argument. 1 week, your neighbor boy driver the car say boy never see for said me na boy need me boy for blah blah blah. And then couldn't change. So I told my management say yeah, almost say boy never see for and then call for Mokekano. They shouldn't go answer. And then when you do some more fair. Then I will let them go. No more in my name and support. Okay. And these things go. Somebody also came on my wall. Welcome you and give you the gospel of Abraham. And where Lazarus
Why responded? Why? We stay with you forever. Why? Why? Free! Why? Why? And I'm clean. We are calling. Just blood.
A sign dear Ayana etua ya won't say wood to kind of winning will be an orphan at child can not will be say a cosino. Nipa be brain a becca safa with the next way then ya when you're from Tia Mebusia Fonina Yako attach TV and Mebusia Fonina Yako sell modician, woman shenny, woman shenno fanyama and 2 years, na baby and call that baby. That's a so dreamy, a queen to a macra.